Europe's population forecast for 2100, now only 75 years away. Recently, population collapse, or at least population reduction, has been a big discussion of debate. And if you look at this forecast, which obviously it's a forecast, we don't know. It's like it snows a lot of days where the weather forecast says it's not going to. Who knows? However, as we can see, there's a lot of countries that are going to continue to lose populations, some of them in the tens of millions. Others will gain in population, but that's mostly from immigration. A big part of this is because as countries become more and more wealthy, many of them choose to have less and less children. Not just that, because many of these countries also love to leave their own country. And if they don't leave their country, oftentimes they'll leave their small Italian village, making it so you can buy Italian villas in Sicily for €1, and then they move to places like Rome, or they'll move to places like France or Great Britain. As much of Europe has stagnated in its economic growth over the past decade and a half or so, that also decreases the amount of people who want to have children. A child not born today will not have multiple children potentially in 20, 30 years from now. And those children that aren't born 20 or 30 years further can and potentially greatly reduce the population of Europe. Whether or not that turns out to be the case, we won't know for at least 75 more years.